This little photo album is such a great solution if you're looking for just a quick little album. I bought one of these to give to my friend as a gift, and it worked really, really well. So this photo album is perfect for 4x6 photos. It's just slightly larger than 4x6, but that makes it really easy to just slip these photos in here. Each page has one side open, so you can just put your picture right in here. Slides in real nice and easy there. And another thing you can do is actually have a photo up here on the cover by doing the exact same thing, just slipping this photo right in there. It really helps if you stick your fingers under here to help slide it through. It's the perfect little photo album if you just want to have, different ones for different events, or especially if you're printing out pictures and giving them away. This is the perfect option. Highly recommend this cute little photo album book.